Hey, what's going on, man? It's Saturday afternoon and it is warm as shit out. Wife and I just got back from an auction and I got stuff stacked up on the workbench that I don't really want to put away right now because it's hot in there. And I just put all the tools away. Our project for the grader, we have to come back to that. The brackets we made were not long enough. We missed it by a couple inches, so we're gonna have to put a spacer in there or maybe just make another bracket, whatever. It's just too goddamn hot to weld, so we're going to abandon that project for today. Instead, I think we're going to hop on this mini bike and take a tool down through the woods, check the neighbor's pond. We're going to do some fishing later on this evening and make sure the water's come down a little bit. It's still too wet to mow at my house, so, you know, I guess we're going to check the pond. I'll take you along. And there's the neighbor's pond. Well, we'll park the hog for a second, take a walk down here to the bridge. I want to see if the water's still running from all the rain we had. We have really bad drainage where we're at. Well, I shouldn't say bad drainage. Everything just drains through where we're at. I put this bridge in a couple months after we bought the place. And yeah, it's still running pretty good. That runs constantly out of my yard. And all this rain that we had, it's I don't know what they did before the bridge, but man, there's a lot of water. All right.